Welcome back to Vijay Academy. In this video, I am explaining question number 34 from the sample paper 20 to 23. So the question is, due to heavy floods in a state, thousands were rendered homeless. 50 schools collectively decided to provide place and the canvas for 1,500 tents and share the whole expenditure equally. So the lower part of the tent is cylindrical with base radius 2.8 meter and height 3.5 meter, and upper part is conical with the same base radius 2.8 meter but of height 2.1 meter. If the canvas used to make the tents costs rupees 120 per meter square, find the amount shared by each school to set up the tents. So first we are supposed to find the area of canvas required to make one tent. Now look at the tent. Tent is in the shape of cylindrical at the bottom and conical at the top. Now to make each tent, we need the area of the canvas required, which is equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder and the curved surface area of the cone. Since the bottom of the cylinder and top of the cylinder are not covered with the canvas. So now to find the area of the canvas required, we need to find the area of means the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the cone. So here the values given as radius of cylinder and cone both are same, which is 2.8 meter, and height of the cylinder is 3.5 meter, and height of the cone is 2.1 meter. Height of the cone is 2.1 meter. And since we need the curved surface area of the cone, we are supposed to find the slant height. So let us find the slant height first. So we have the formula to find the slant height, which is L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So which is square root of height of the cone is 2.1, therefore 2.1 the whole square plus 2.8 the whole square. So 2.1 the whole square is 4.41, and then 2.8 the whole square is 7.84, and adding these two we get the square root of 1225, that means 12.25, which is equal to square root of 12.25 is 3.5 meters. So slant height of the cone is 3.5 meter. Now first let us find the area of the canvas required to make one tent. Area of canvas required to make one tent is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi rh, plus curved surface area of the cone, which is pi rl. And here we can take pi and r as common. Radius is same for both cylinder and cone, therefore we can take pi r as common, and we can write the quotient inside the bracket, which is 2h plus l. And let us substitute the values of all this. Now pi value is 22/7 and radius is 2.8 meter multiplied by 2 into h. H is here height of the cylinder 3.5 meter, and slant height, that is also 3.5 meter. Now 2.8 is divisible by 7 for 0.4 times, and then we can write 22 into 0.4 is 8.8. Then into we have 2 into 3.75. So this 2 into 3.75 is 3.5 is 7. 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5. So now we have to multiply this. So multiplying 10.5 with 8.8, multiplying 10.5 with 8.8, we get 8 5s are 40, and then 4 carry, 8 into 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 8 1s are 8. So leave one place and write the same value again. So 0 4 8, because we are multiplying it by 8 itself. So we get 0 4 12, so 2 and 9. So it is 92.40. So we can write it as 92.4 meters square is the area area of the canvas required to make 1 tent, but we are supposed to make 1500 tents. So multiply this by 1500. So area of the canvas required, area of canvas required to make 1500 tents is equal to 1500 into 92.4. So to multiply this, so let us multiply this directly. Let me put these two zeros directly over here and then multiply the remaining part with 15. 15 fours are 60. So 0, 6 carry. 15 twos are 30 plus 6, 36. Then 3 carry. Then 15 nines are 135 plus 3, 138. And leave one place and put points. So which is equal to 138,600 meters square is the area of the canvas required to make 1500 tents. Now we need to find the cost of the canvas. So cost of the canvas is equal to cost per meter square is 120 rupees. So we are supposed to multiply this by 120. So the total cost is equal to 138,600 multiplied by 120. So now here two zeros and here one zero. So we can, let me write these three zeros together and then multiply the remaining part with 12. So 12 into 6 is 72, 7 carry, and 12 into 8 is 96 plus 7 is 103, and then 10 carry, then 12 threes are 36 plus 10, 46, then 4 carry, and then 12 ones are 12 plus 4, it is 16. So we get the amount, the cost of the canvas is 1,66,32,000 rupees. And now this amount is shared by 50 schools. So equally, it is shared by 50 schools equally. So amount shared by each school is equal to amount shared by each school is equal to, so we have to divide this amount by 50. Each school is equal to 1,66,3,2,000 divided by 50. So we can cancel 1 0 and divide the remaining part by 5. So when you divide the remaining part by 5, we get 5 ones are, and then 5 threes are 15, again 5 threes are 15, then again 5 twos are 10, and then 5 6 are 30, and then 5 fours are 20, and then 1 0 is remaining. So write that 0 as it is. So we get the amount shared by each school is equal to 3,32,640. Thank you.